Hey everybody, it's Kiwi. I want to show you how to use our Norwex Cleansing Powder. I am obsessed with this product. It is going to be a deep pore clean for your skin. It is going to get deep into your pores. It is 93% bio-based and you are going to absolutely love it. All right, so first thing I want to mention, this is your forever packaging, meaning you're going to keep this container and it's refillable. You just unscrew the top and then this is the refill. Look at this, eco-friendly, less plastics in the environment, right? You just tear this off and refill. And anytime you add this skincare refill to your cart, you save $10 for each one. Isn't that amazing? So I love that we can be frugal, good to the environment and ourselves. Let's go over how to use this. It is super simple. It is a waterless cleansing powder, meaning all we have is the powder in here and we add water to it. I have already cleansed my skin. I do not have makeup on. You can use our dual-sided makeup removing cloths, or you can use our body cloths. In this case, this is the plush body cloth. So you're gonna get this wet with water, wipe off your face. Easy, right? I have been doing this routine for over 8 years, cleansing my skin with just water. But as I mentioned, this is our deep pore cleanser. Your pores are the same size for your entire life. What you have the power to do is to clean the inside of your pores. It will tighten your pores and visibly decrease the way it looks because your pores are clean. This is amazing for teens. Guys, it's absolutely amazing. So I've just gotten my hand wet, just some nice warm water. I'm gonna pour some of this on. Now, got my other hand wet and you're going to emulsify it. Look, this creates a really nice lather. I'm gonna add a little bit more water. It's very forgiving in that regard. Usually I do this over the sink, not in front of a camera. You want to leave this on for about a minute or two. The reason is you want all of these amazing ingredients like bentonite clay, rice flour, let me pull my hair back, rice flour, all the good stuff that is going to pull out impurities. It has prebiotics and probiotics in this mixture. And I'm going to give you some tips because like I said, it's not just for adults. It's not just for women. I say that because that's important, right? The men in your life, whether they're teens or adults, they also need this because we have to take care of our skin. And the other thing, whether it's for yourself, I'm just using my dual-sided makeup cloth and I literally can feel my skin is squeaky clean. It makes such a difference. I'm just gonna, and I'm not wiping hard. There's no need to wipe. My skin is clean. I removed the makeup first, right? Now I am just cleaning out my pores. You can do this in the shower. You can do this before you go to bed or in the morning, whatever works for you. My tween, when she started to break out with hormonal breakouts, she started putting this on and it was a huge difference. She literally woke up the next morning and her skin was all clean. Absolutely amazing. Now, I'm gonna give you a little hack, a little tip between you and me. My hack is that you can use this on other places than just your skin. So this is especially important for teens and tweens. So you can use it on your skin to clean your pores. You can go under here and you can go on your little bits. The enzymes and the prebiotics are going to, it's pH balanced. It is very gentle. It's not going to disrupt your pH. Normally you don't want to use soap down there. The ingredients in this make it safe. What a great way to encourage all of your family members to stay cleaner, to take care of their skin, to hydrate. Absolutely amazing. Whether you are trying this for the first time, maybe you have a sample, I encourage you to try it and use it in different ways. Feel the difference in your skin. How does your skin feel? How are your pores looking? Do you feel hydrated? This does not dry out your skin, but it does make it squeaky clean. The next thing after this, if you're in the morning, then I would recommend that you use, I'm trying to pull it out, you use our vitamin C serum. This is my favorite because I have very dry, hormonal, premenopausal skin, and this oil, absolutely, my skin just soaks it up and it gets my day started great. Then I will use my daily moisturizer. And at nighttime, if I'm using the cleansing powder at night, which is normally when I personally use it, I would follow up with our Bakuchiol, which is our plant-based retinol. Y'all be careful about retinols. They are not the safest thing. They're not safe for pregnant women. They're not safe for breastfeeding. And then after that, I would move to our night cream at night. Please let me know if you have any questions. Send me a message, put notes and comments wherever it makes sense. And thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed learning about the cleansing powder. Bye.